Whilst we live in a modern world, with the benefits of ever-increasing wealth and prosperity, we also live with a growing burden of waste and the exhaustion of natural resources. One of the most common waste products is food waste. At home, in restaurants and supermarkets, in fact everywhere that people reside in prosperous nations, there is an excess of food waste that often ends up in landfill. Whilst biodegradable, when disposed of in the mass of landfill, this waste produces harmful emissions. However, we do also live in an era of ever-increasing eco-awareness. Most people now live in cities where recycling is an established routine. This has had an enormous effect on minimising the amount of waste heading to landfill. However, much work can still be done to further reduce waste, and food waste can be easily recycled through the use of composting and worm farms. In the home, food scraps and even some forms of paper waste can be easily recycled using a domestic worm farm. And aside from having less in your trash can, best of all, you will also be creating an excellent source of plant nutrient and soil for your garden. These user-friendly home worm farms involve minimal work. Most use a simple chamber system where, as the compartment fills with food waste, converting to worm castings, you simply rotate the container to start filling the newly emptied chamber. The worms really do all the work. Another great benefit is the natural liquid, which is an excellent plant food. For commercial operations, large industrial worm farms are available that can easily convert your organic waste into soil-friendly fertiliser and make a noticeable saving on your waste collection costs. Moreover, you will be seen to be an environmentally friendly business, which is a proven way to gain more customer preference and loyalty. There's a range of commercial worm farm options, so practically any organic waste volume can be catered to. And whilst these systems look remarkably more complicated than the smaller home kits, they all work on the same principle. Worms R Us are your worm farming experts, so big corporate or small business, make sure you contact us to discuss your particular worm farming requirements. We provide full training and instructions and also provide quotes for commercial applications and even provide educational visits for schools. Make sure you view the video on how to set up your own worm farm and a quick overview of the different types of worm farms available. Worms R Us, helping people and business play their part in protecting our planet.